Hello, welcome to XOCPA channel. This is day 12 and we are cutting close. Time is running out. And this is a question that we get from business owners all the time. Charlene, can I buy a car? My friend told me if I buy a car for $80,000, we will deduct the entire $80,000. Is that true? And today we're going to share that with you. Avery, do you want to give your insights on whether if a business owner purchased a car for $80,000, does that always mean that they will be able to deduct $80,000? And if they truly want to deduct the cost of the car, what do they have to do and what kind of car they have to purchase?
Yeah, so regarding this, let's take this example of 80,000. So let's say one person wants, let's say you want to buy like a Maserati, right? Well, usually with Maseratis, they're probably going to be under something called the gross vehicle weight rating. So that term is very important. Anything that's under 6,000, you actually are limited to about 18,000 the first year. And then of course the following years after that, you'll get a proportion of that until you reach the fifth year, which at that time you will recognize the final portion of the 80,000. But for example, let's say you end up getting like a Ford F-150. Ford F-150s are usually over 6,000 pounds. Once again, gross vehicle weight rating. In this situation, you actually will be able to deduct the 80,000 since it is above that threshold.
And to add to what Avery just said, this is not always the case, but it is allowable as a bonus depreciation under the current tax law. Now, there is a catch to that. Now, if you deduct the entire 80,000, for the car that you purchase above 6,000 pounds, there is a catch, and the catch is that you have to use the vehicle for, Avery, you want to elaborate?
Yes. So in this situation, you will need to use the vehicle for at least 5 years. Let's just say, for example, you end up keeping it for 2 years, you end up deciding to switch to a new shiny new vehicle in the third year. What's going to happen? And for that tax year, there's going to be something called depreciation recapture. What this means is essentially the depreciation that you took for year 1 and 2, the IRS wants a portion of it back because you actually didn't fully use the vehicle for 5 years.
So if you need more information, I understand that this is a quick video. If you want to understand, is it better to buy a car or to lease a car for your business purpose, please check out this video that we have recorded. And also, if you purchase a car and deduct your 80,000, then you can only use actual method. Now, actual method is actually not mileage method. If you want to understand what's the difference between actual method and the mileage method, please also watch this video that we have prepared for you. And as usual, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.